Hello, I'm Jan with Pewter Dragonfly. Welcome to our channel. Today we're making a special soap for a special customer. She requested all natural, unscented, uncolored goat's milk soap, which we're happy to provide. There are basically 3 ways to make goat milk soap. The first is to replace all of the water in the lye solution with frozen goat's milk. The lye has to be added very, very slowly to the milk so that it does not burn. The second way is to add goat's milk powder to the oils in sufficient quantity that we can morally call it goat's milk soap. The third way is to add liquid goat's milk to the oils in addition to a 50-50 lye solution, 50% lye, 50% water. This method gives you the least amount of goat's milk, but it is less costly and easy to do. And of course, you can combine any of these 3 processes in the same batch. Today, we are going to make 2 1-pound test batches. One will replace the water in the lye solution with frozen goat's milk, and we will add reconstituted powdered goat's milk as well. The other will be using only reconstituted powdered goat's milk in the oils. They will both cure from 4 to 5 weeks before I ship them to the customer, and we will test samples to see if we notice any difference between the 2 bars. Stay tuned to the end of the video and we will show you how to add lye to frozen milk without burning it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and select how you want to receive notices of new videos. The button right below. If you're ready, let's get to it. Hello there. Okay, the first of the soaps we're going to make is the one with the powdered goat's milk. Putting on my mask, I have on my gloves. We want to be completely sanitary here. These are the oils. There's a high concentration of olive oil. There's some coconut oil, some shea butter, some castor oil, and some palm oil. Sustainable palm oil. We only buy the RSPO certified. And here we have an ounce worth of goat milk powder. And then we have the lye here. I won't open that at the moment. This is the test mold that we'll be using. This is a 1-pound mold. And we will be pouring into that. So let me set that off to the side. back. Put my mask back on again here. Okay. We're just going to make some very gentle dips and peaks is what I was trying to say. Some very gentle peaks on it. You don't want anything very severe, because if you get something that really stands up, then it's rough on the skin when it's actually being used. So we are just going to do a little bit of this. Just to give it a little bit of texture. Okay. Clean it up a little bit here. And we will set it aside to start curing. Okay, we are ready to make the mixture with the liquid goat's milk. This is our liquid goat's milk mixed with the lye. This is our lye solution made with the real goat's milk. Here we have the liquid powdered goat's milk that's been reconstituted. This time we're going to try it that way. This is a little bit of sodium lactate. This is a salt solution which helps it to come out of the mold a little easier. This is our mold, of course, like the other one. This one I've marked to let me know that this is the liquid batch. So we can get started here. Okay, this one's actually sitting up faster than the last one, so we shall be able to some nice peaks. Okay, just a little bit of a sculpture. Nothing too rough for skin. And we'll clean off the edges. And it is ready to go on the drying rack. This is what it looks like. I'll be back for the cutting of both the loaves so that you can see what they look like cut. Thank you much. See you in a bit. All right, as we promised, we're going to show you how to add the lye to the frozen goat milk. You can do this with any milk soap of any sort. When you freeze it first, let me put on my mask. For two reasons for the mask, of course, to keep any bacteria out of the soap, but the other one is, as we are adding the lye, it may give out fumes. Okay, this is our lye. Sprinkle a little bit on and just keep mixing it. I'm in an ice bath so that I can keep the temperature way down. As the lye comes in contact with the milk, it will melt it a bit and then we'll end up with some liquid. But it's going to take a little bit before we do that. So I will probably speed up the whole process so that you can see it at a little faster rate, because it could take as much as 15 to 20 minutes to mix this properly, since we have to go very slowly. If we don't go slowly during the mixing, then the milk burns. This is melting very well. I can still feel some grains at the bottom though, and we have to make sure that every bit of lye is melted. So I will keep stirring until I no longer feel any grit at the bottom. But it definitely has not burned. When milk burns with lye, it turns a very brownish gold color and it stinks to high heaven. Okay, that's all there is to it. It's time consuming. We had a small amount here, so if you're doing a much larger batch than our 1 pound test, then it definitely will take a lot longer. to melt, because you do have to go rather slowly. But you do want to try to be sure to get all of your lye in before your milk melts completely. At least it seems to work better that way for me. So that's it. We will thank you very, very much for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe and choose how you want to receive notices of our new videos as they come along. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Welcome back. It is 3 days later and the loaves are done. I've already taken them out of the mold because it takes a little bit to get them out of the mold and didn't want to waste your time. So this one is the soap that was made with the powder slurry, and it is remarkably about the same color as the one that was made with the liquid goat's milk. So not going to see much difference there between those two. So now we can cut them. I've already taken ends, just a tiny little bit off the ends, so we can do tests and so all that kind of thing. You'll see the ring around the edge. That is the color that eventually everything will be. So it's definitely going to go to a caramel color, and no smell, of course. So we will set those off to the side, and we will get this one. This one I think is pretty much gone all the color that it's going to go. Okay, I will try to add some colors, some pictures of the soaps once they're completely cured and the final color. So that's about it. Thank you very much. See you next video.